Hey everyone, Jennifer Lawrence here with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Florida Network Realty. I'm super excited to introduce to you my newest listing located inside St. Johns County's super fun Samara Lakes neighborhood. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath DR Horton 2016 build is the ever popular Lantana floor plan. Super open concept, water view. This community has multiple parks, a pool, a gym, soccer field, and all for no CDD fees. Run, don't walk to this listing. She won't last long. Let's go check it out.